Hello everyone, this is Out of the Box Unboxing. Today is the first episode of something new on my channel, and of course I will not show how to unbox those dishwasher tablets, but to show you how LIDL is treating us as a customers. Reason of that, or reason why I want to show you some details about this particular product is that 1 week ago I have by accident broke such box and all tablets fall out, so I was forced to clean it up, and by doing that I thought, what the hell, this is something with 4 plus extra 10%, so I thought I will check if it's really 10% and 10% more, and I was surprised that even if this is the something extra box with 10% of extra tablets, it was only 40 tablets. Last week I didn't had my camera with me, and by the way, box was already opened, so it would be not so realistic. So I thought I will go to my nearest shop and buy 2 boxes of tablets, just to be sure that it's not a mistake of 1 box, to have some comparison. So without any further ado, let's do the unbox. As you may see, box is new, it's sealed, it was not opened before, so let's check if there is a 44 tablets or 40. To make it easier, I think do 4 columns. 5. Okay, so we have a 10. So okay, we are in the middle of our test. So we have 31, so 13 to go. Yes or not? Box is empty, nothing else. I think you might see it's empty. Okay, just to be sure, nothing's left there. And pada bim, pada boom, how many tablets do we have? Okay, 4. So it's okay. So maybe this is the mistake last time, or I didn't count it properly, but let's check the other box, okay, just to be sure that there is no mistake behind that. So the second box, it's also brand new. Let's check. Okay, nothing left. And let's see how many tablets do we have. Okay, it seems that last week I had a bad luck, so everything is fine, no question about it. So I thought I would have a breaking news, but actually no, it's everything as it should be. 44, so they are delivering what they have promised. Nevertheless, I'm happy about that because it shows that mistakes are happening. It's not something that has been done on purpose. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, and see you next time.